Joseph made $13,568 last month from affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. This was his 4th month into the process, and I'm going to explain exactly what he did in this video. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money online if you do it right. Here's the idea. Find a product someone else made, get a unique affiliate link, promote the product with your link by making content, and make a commission every time someone buys through you. You don't need a website, fancy tools, or a big budget to start affiliate marketing. What you do need is a process that's simple, lazy, and actually works, which is what I'll show you. You'll learn how to do the research, pick a product, create content using AI, and get that content in front of the right people to start earning commissions. Step 1. Pick and research a niche. Think about what you're interested in and pay attention to the types of articles and videos that you watch. Once you have a few ideas of the niche that you want to write articles and promote products for, it's time to do some research to make sure that other people are also interested in the niche. Now is also a good time to find some keywords. My interest is in health and wellness, so let's use that as an example, but you can do this whole process for any niche you like, such as cooking, learning, and so on. So let's do some keyword research. Open Google Trends in your browser. It's free and it helps you see what's trending right now. Type wellness or whatever your niche is into the search bar and hit enter, set it on worldwide, and look at the past 30 days to start. Look at the graph to see how interest in the topic has changed over time. If the interest is stable or trending upward, that's a good sign to stick to your niche. If it doesn't look good, research another niche you're interested in. Then scroll down to see related topics and queries. These are keywords people are actively searching for. I've seen some top search queries like what is wellness, health and wellness, and wellness massage. I'll write these down. They're valuable for content ideas, which brings me to the next step. Step 2. Put together ideas and keywords. Next, head to Mangools or a similar keyword research tool. Mangools has a bunch of SEO tools to help your article rank higher on Google. You can create a free account and get started. I'm going to go to their keyword finder tool. And now I'll type in one of the terms I saw in step 1. So I'll type in what is wellness. Set the location as anywhere, though you could pick a specific country if you'd prefer. Then I'll pick English and click Find Keywords. I'll see all of this information with more related keywords listed below my term. I can jot these down too for more content ideas. I can see the keyword difficulty score here too. The lower I can get my score for the keyword difficulty, the better. Ideally, you want keywords with a decent search volume and low difficulty. Once you've done some digging and put together a small list of keywords, it's time to move to the next step. Step 3. Find a product to promote. Head to the ClickBank website and create a free account if you don't already have one. This is one of the most beginner-friendly affiliate marketplaces, and it's free. Log in, and at the top of the page, click Affiliate Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the products you can promote. We can pick the health and fitness category and see a list of products. Each product has stats like gravity score, average conversion, and whether it offers recurring commissions. The gravity score tells you how many affiliates are successfully promoting that product right now. For beginners, you'll want a gravity score between 20 and 100. That range means the product is popular enough to sell, but not so competitive that you'll struggle to stand out. Also, look for products with medium to high commissions. This way, even a small number of sales can add up to a decent income. When you find a product you like, click the Promote button. I'm going with a supplement that I can relate to boosting mental wellness. I'll just click here, Generate Hoplink, and get my unique affiliate link. At this point, download any good images of your chosen product, which you can find in the ClickBank description or landing page. We'll use this in one of the steps later. Step 4. Create content. Now, we need content to promote the product. You can post on Instagram, make TikTok videos, and so on. But today, I'm focusing on writing SEO-optimized blog articles that we can publish online to get traffic and clicks on our affiliate link. To write a blog article, head over to ChatGPT. Log in or sign up. It's free and takes just a minute. Here's where we make this whole process ridiculously easy. Start by giving ChatGPT a prompt to create a blog outline. You could give it a prompt like this. Add as much detail as possible in your prompt. ChatGPT will generate an outline in seconds. Next, ask ChatGPT to expand that outline into a full article. Use a prompt like this. Let ChatGPT do its thing. Once the article is ready, read through it and prompt for any changes or edits you want. Once you're happy, copy and paste the ChatGPT script into a Google Doc and read through it line by line. Fact check everything, because no AI tool is 100% accurate. Edit the tone so it sounds like you. If you have any personal experiences with mental wellness that you think others could relate to, add those in. Real-life examples build trust with your readers. Step 5. Publish your article. You can publish your article on your own website, and you can use tools like Hostinger AI to set that up. But I promised you, lazy and beginner-friendly. So an even better option I would recommend is publishing your article on Medium. It's already well established and has millions of people using it, so it's easier for people to find your posts than if you were to publish them yourself. Head to medium.com and create an account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, click Write a Story. Copy and paste your article into the editor. Medium's editor is super easy to use. Highlight any text you want to format, like subheadings or bolded phrases, and Medium will give you options to style it. Add the images that you downloaded earlier from ClickBank by clicking the little plus icon where you want the image to appear. Then, add your affiliate link. Highlight the text where you mention the affiliate product, click the chain icon in the formatting bar, and paste your ClickBank link. Include the link again in the conclusion with a strong call to action like, "Feed your mind and body with the wellness it deserves." And then include your affiliate link. Medium will ask you to add tags to help people find your story. Use tags like health, wellness, and mental wellness. When your article looks good, hit publish. Promote your article on social media and anywhere you can. And that's the system. You can repeat this process with different products or even write multiple articles promoting the same product. The more content you have out there, the more chances you have to earn commissions. Here's a quick recap. Start by researching your niche ideas with Google Trends. Find keywords for your chosen niche using Google Trends and Mangools. Use ClickBank to find a product with good stats. Let ChatGPT help you create a great article and publish it on Medium with your affiliate links. Promote your content to get readers and watch the sales roll in. It's simple, lazy, and works crazy well. Have you tried affiliate marketing before? Are you thinking of doing it? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.